I tell you what, I've only been at rebuilding, resurrecting, restoring these machines for a handful of years. But I've learned the nicer the case is, the nicer the machine is inside. Welcome back, my fellow clackers. Bob Marshall here, Typewriter Muse. We are going to play with this 1946 Smith Corona Silent, complete with the Muse machine test already gone through. Okay, let's get to it. Check out the yellow keys. Yep, the Smith Corona Silent 1946. These machines are just absolutely wonderful. I've gotten to type on several of them, gotten to sell several of them, resurrect a few. They rebuild pretty easy. They use this design for an extremely long time. Needless to say, this guy's really sweet. Came to us pretty ready to go. Nice feet. So there wasn't much to do, wasn't anything to repair. Just a nice cleaning, resurrection, get it all back in business. Does have that slight ding we get on these. The bar gets bent. That's been bent back. Little nick there, you can kind of see in the light. Of course, the traditional bang in the back, trying to get it in its case. But this seems pretty sweet. You guys want to see a top? I know I do. So this platen had obviously been redone a handful of years ago, give or take. Get that straight. And it was really good to go. Anybody want to see the alphabet? Oops. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. And the other good characters. 6, 7. Yep, that seems pretty sweet. More importantly, it's ready to roll. We're going to put this up for sale on eBay. Find it on our Instagram as well. eBay is Typewriter Muse. Instagram is Typewriter Muse. Or always find a way to contact us on our website, typewritermuse.com. If you're looking for that solid machine, post-war, they had all these parts ready to go. Once they stopped making weapons, they were all excited. Well, that's really clean. They got back to making these. Smith Corona Silent. You can see that got worn just a little bit. I think somebody's really loved the heck out of this thing. Surprisingly, these characters are extremely straight. Extremely straight. That's really rare. Usually they're a little cockeyed, but again, the golden, yellow legends on the keys. Super cool stripes. Racing stripes, everything else. Move on over, Rover. Ooh, metal spools. Very nice. Okay. Find it on eBay. Typewriter Muse. Online. Typewritermuse.com. On the Instagram. We'll put all the cool information up on that. And yes, it comes with all the extra accessories we include with all the machines we sell. Get the mini care kit, the typewriter cover, dust cover, nice little typing pad, and all that, of course, will fit in this glorious case. This seems pretty sweet. Looking forward to the worlds it creates for the next owner. We're going to ship it. We know it's not a bowling ball. It's going to be great. Okay, till next time, my fellows. Bob Marshall here, Typewriter Muse.